Galaxy. An honest review of Galaxy Lamps Galaxy Projector. What do I think about this? So, Galaxy Lamps reached out to me and asked if I would like them to send me their Galaxy Projector. What does this say? Oh, Blue Star's Galaxy Projector. Transform any room into your own planetarium. And me being me, I instantly said, what's the catch? So, a little bit of back and forth, and they just said they would like, if I wanted to, I could make a video on this Galaxy lamp to let you guys see what I think of it. And as it's sparkly and cool and pretty, I thought, well, hopefully, I thought it might be something that we would all enjoy. But I made doubly sure that they're not telling me to say anything. They literally just sent me the lamp for free. They're not paying me. I'm not affiliate. Quick, editing me from the future. I just discovered an affiliate link to these lamps, which I will drop in the description below if you want to look at them. The link doesn't cost you anything, but helps me with a little bit, pays me a little bit. But I'm actually rather happy that when I filmed this, I didn't realize I had an affiliate thing. So this is my honest reactions to the lamp that you're going to see here, rather than you thinking these are my paid reactions, because I want people to buy it, so I make big bucks. I won't make big bucks. It's a little bit. It'll help me. But yeah. Oh, and also I'm saying the word lamp. I say the word lamp a lot. This is not the Galaxy lamp. This is the Galaxy Projector that you can see. They do a lamp. It looks awesome. And if you stay to the end, I set this up in a darker, better room for this, so you can see some of the effects. I'm not making any money from this. They just wanted, the only thing they asked, which I was fair enough, is if I have huge problems with the lamp, if I don't like it, if I let them know first. But they're not in any way controlling what I say in this video. So yeah, so they just sent it out to me for free. So let's have a look. If it works, this could be fun. It is apparently app and voice controlled, timing function, projection on ceiling or walls, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Ooh, I don't have either of these, so you can't change my lighting based on shouting stuff at Google. So, oh, this is pretty. Your order has arrived from another universe. Please download our app to have full control. That is cool. So we have a user manual as ever. It's nice packaging. It's trying to look all world far, far away. Let's try and get her out. Warning, this is not a toy. Oh, she's like this. Okay, its little sleeve it's nestled in, it wants to come out underside from it. And the only other things in the box, I will get the box out of the way so it stops making noise. So the things in the box are obviously a plug and a cable. Let's do that first while I'm excited about unboxing the lamp. I hope this works, and I hope this is cool, and I hope I can show you this is cool. But if it's not, I will also tell you that. So anyway, now it was sent from their UK version of the company. So we have a UK plug, but I believe they are worldwide as well. So ta-da and ta-da. Yeah, there we go. So again, it's got a plug or USB. That's going to be handy. I'm definitely might keep the USB plug. That's handy. And let's have a look at the lamp. Shall we try just doing it without setting anything up? I don't know if it'll work. Ooh, laser. You will be blind, it says. And a little sticky to remove the sticker over the laser to make it dangerous. That sounds good. I think I do absolutely have to. I'm going to have to read the manual, aren't I? Oh, right. I was trying to figure out which way it's supposed to be, because it says it can point at the ceiling or at the ground and everything. I was trying to figure out where it stands, but no, it just stands like this. It's got like little feeties. So it's probably not overly stable for a clumsy person like me, but we will see. It stands okay on my little table. Yeah, so bear with me. I will check the manual. I will upload the uploady thing. Shall we just plug it into my laptop and see if we can just get power that way rather than trying to find a plug in this house of plugs? So I'm scared to look at this, right? So DC in, point it away from me, plug it in and see if anything happens. And if not, then we'll read the manual and download the app. Oh, sorry. You can hear that? It's making noise. Okay, it's doing light. I'm gonna have to turn off all the lights here so you can see it. Right, hold on. Oh, this is spooky. Okay, I'm an idiot and I'm back already because I read that, oh, you can actually see it. This is a button, so you don't need the app. Don't I look better in the dark than in real life? Right. Projection on the wall. So, oh, it did start. I don't know why I didn't expect that to work, but that worked. let's do it. Oh, oh, right. Oh, wow. That is actually really cool. Yeah, when you move it closer, you can see all the nebularly stuff, and then I move it back. Wow. So it's different colors. This is kind of red with blue stars. Oh, it is so pretty in my hair. Wow, I didn't expect that. Oh, I kind of promised this to a friend, but I sort of love it. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I want my hair lit like this all the time. Oh, that's off. Right. Let's start again then. So press the button and you get, that's a red nebula with blue. There's bits of green in it. I'm trying to see if I've got more plain wall. I'm going to have to take this downstairs and try and film it from downstairs. But yeah, there's green. I see reds. There's all sorts of colors. There's green. I see reds. There's all sorts of colors and little blue lights. Does it? That's too bright if I try and do it on me. I'm the only black thing in the room just now. Hang on. There we go. Yeah. Let's blind myself. I'm a galaxy. Oh, this is fun. This. I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't this. So second press. Oh, it's right. So I don't think there's any color. There's no like cloudiness. It is just blue lights. Oh no, there's a bit of cloudiness, but blue lights. That is so pretty. And then mainly a red. Ooh, it's very cool. And yeah, that's the kind of green and red with blue lights. I'm trying to see if there's any star patterns that I recognize. And it's got, right, you can't actually see because I can't show you up there because this is a loft bed and it's disgusting. It's just the underside of a mattress. But the lights are going up sort of almost 90 degrees and then all down the wall. And yeah, really quite low. It's got quite a spread because this is a small room. I really like that one, the kind of red. It's got some brightness on it too, isn't it? Mainly red, but yay. And then that's that's just the just the mainly plain lights. That is so pretty. Look. Oh yes, I like being lit just by sparkle. Don't I look great? And that's it off. Okay, really, really should return some lighting. Okay, so I was prepared to give an honest review, and actually, I honestly really like that. Kind of promised it to Brian, but I kind of love it myself. But yeah, what was this? This was Galaxy Lamps Galaxy Projector Blue Stars. So it definitely it has blue stars and then a range of colored backgrounds. I will try it on a bigger, darker piece of the wall and take some pictures and insert them in editing. But actually, I love it. Let me know what you think. I will no doubt have a link. I will no doubt have a link where you can go and find it. I am not sponsored, but they did send it me for free. And Galaxy Lamps, thank you. It's actually really cool. So I set this up in my long dark hall and in my sitting room so you can get some more idea of what this looks like. In my dark sitting room, this is amazing. It really looks like portals about to open with the lights. It works the best in a really dark room. My hall was a little less dark. It still looks absolutely fantastic. My friend runs a club. I took it and set it up in the club, but the professional level disco lights that were in the club were too strong for it. It is definitely much better for if you have a large bedroom or a large sitting room or something. I found it really relaxing and really quite cool. Yeah, but you can see the different modes, the different colors. I have a swirly nebula galaxy thing going on, lots of different colors. I also kind of like the single blue color light strip that, especially when I put that up in my hall, that looked like, you know, when you go into the clubs, or you did in the 90s, but you did a very long time ago. And if they had a long corridor, quite often they would have it like dark with little spots, like LED tiny lights all the way down it to make it look like you were going down through stars or something. And this is very much what that feature reminded me of. But overall, if you have a place for it and you want to set a mood. I was going to say the mood. Let's not go there. It is really quite cool. Or if you make videos or something, depending on your light settings, I'm quite bright here, so it didn't show up. It still showed. It was still cool. You saw my reactions to it. But if you have a very dark background or something, this could be a very cool little addition. Anyway, slightly different style of video. I don't usually accept these kind of deals. I get messages quite a lot due to the fact that I'm a YouTuber. But Galaxy Projector sounded cool, so I hope you don't mind me going a little off topic there.